Well, thanks for being with us this midday. We are back with meteorologist Mario Ruiz to talk about our storm chances all week long. Okay, we're trying to make plans. This can kind of make it difficult. What are we looking at today?
You know, today it's just a bit humid out. It's sticky, yeah. So once you're going to be out and about, you're going to notice that pretty quickly. And that kind of sets us up to see some potential heavy rain Tuesday night into Wednesday.
Okay.
So let me show you what I mean by that. We're taking a look outside, temperature of 84 degrees. The dew point is in the low 70s. That's a measure of moisture, that number. The higher that number is, the more muggy it feels out and the more uncomfortable it feels. And right now, the dew point in the 70s, that's considered pretty muggy. Winds are out of the southeast, and that's what's helping bring in some humidity from the Gulf. That's why we have this sticky feeling in the air. Okay, so the temperature will actually only be a couple of degrees warmer than normal today. We'll be at about 90 degrees at 2, 91 degrees between 4, 5 and 6 in the afternoon with a mix of sunshine and cloud cover. That south wind sticks around the remainder of the day. The high today about 91 in Dallas, 92 in Fort Worth. Normal this time of the year is 89. So like I mentioned, only a couple of degrees warmer than normal. It will be slightly cooler along our eastern counties, if I can call it that, into the mid 80s. And it's just because the humidity is higher there, with mid 90s and a slim potential for storms along far western North Texas. So let me show you what that looks like. Most of the day today, again, completely dry. This particular model wanting to bring in some isolated showers near Hunt County this afternoon, but I think most of us completely dry. I'm showing you 7 in the evening today, and we could see these thunderstorms really along our western counties and staying west of DFW. That's between 7 and 10. And then once that sun sets, of course, a lot of this activity starts to wind down. Let's talk about our bigger potential for rain. And this will be Tuesday evening into the overnight. The big portion that's highlighted here in orange, in yellow is a level 2 out of 5. And that does include Collin, Dallas, Tarrant County towards the west. That's what we call a slight risk for severe weather, a level 2 out of 5. The main threat with storms tomorrow evening into the overnight will be the potential for hail and strong winds. The outskirts of this is a marginal that does include Dallas. It does include Ellis, Johnson County, Hill, Navarro County. That's a marginal level 1. So the higher risk will be along our western counties. And it comes in 2 rounds. Let me talk you through that. This is Tuesday around 7 in the morning, dry conditions. Most of the day Tuesday completely dry. This is now noon. Watch what happens around 2 in the afternoon. We have what's called a dry line that sets up, and it helps bring in some thunderstorms between 2 and about 5. We'll start to see these popping up. These again mainly along our western counties between 3 and about 6. A lot of this activity really starts to kind of wind down. We have this front that then comes in, and that front is going to help enhance a few more thunderstorms. So it'll help develop a few more of these storms overnight. So this is Tuesday, 10 p.m. You see these storms along this cold front between 10 p.m. and 1 in the morning. You start to see these storms making it into the Metroplex, and then all along that front about 3 in the morning. Again, this could be a soaker for us. We just have so much moisture to work with. That's between 3 and about 5 now in the morning. Between 5 and about 6. And that front is going to eventually stall to our southeast, and that's actually what keeps the rain chances in the area for the remainder of the week. So the highest coverage of rain actually happens Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. After that, we're looking at decreasing rain chances, but daily rain chances through at least Friday. And on that 14-day forecast, there is a small potential for rain Saturday and Sunday. This will mainly be along the northern third of North Texas. Meanwhile, temperatures will be in the 80s the remainder of the week, thanks to a little more cloud cover coming in and the potential for some daily storm chances. But again, highest potential for rain Tuesday night into Wednesday. Be sure to keep checking back in for that one. We'll be back.